Introducing the Argo mesh belt annealing furnace, engineered for precision-controlled heat treatment and reliable industrial performance. Designed for continuous production, this system ensures consistent metallurgical results across manufacturing processes. The furnace is equipped with Kanthal A1 heating elements, delivering uniform heat distribution throughout the chamber. The system maintains accurate temperature control up to 700 degrees Celsius with advanced PID controllers, ensuring stable and repeatable performance. A heavy-duty AISI 304 mesh belt conveyor enables smooth and continuous material flow, supporting efficient processing and consistent throughput. The integrated 1.5 horsepower high-efficiency blower system ensures effective heat circulation for uniform treatment across the entire load. For enhanced operational safety, the furnace incorporates a conveyor heater safety interlock, protecting both equipment and process integrity. Built with durability in mind, the system features a heat-resistant aluminum finish designed to withstand demanding industrial environments. The variable speed conveyor drive allows precise control over processing time and material movement, engineered for reliability and designed for continuous performance.